Hello all-nighters. Today we are going to discuss about language processing system. Language processing system is nothing but it contains a set of tools through which a high-level language program is converted to target code. First, we'll be starting with the source program, which is a high-level language. This is sent to a preprocessor. After being sent, we will be receiving a modified source program. What is the actual task of this preprocessor? This preprocessor converts a high-level language program to pure high-level language program. It also removes preprocessor directories. I'll give you an example, don't worry. Consider an example of C, most basic example. Include stdio.h. We'll be including these header files, right? Now, in this, we don't know, we haven't written any code for this printf function, but it is available in this thing. This is the preprocessor statement. Include stdio.h. The code of this printf function will be available in this header file stdio.h. In this preprocessor, what it will do is, instead of just it will remove this thing and it will write the whole code instead of printf function here. So that is removing preprocessor directories. There is another application of this preprocessor, which is macro expansion. What is this macro expansion? Now in between of a code you may have written a++ or for incrementing or a-. In this macro expansion, this thing will be simply converted to like this. It will be expanding macros. These are the two applications of this preprocessor. Now this modified source program will be sent to a compiler. This compiler converts it into target assembly program. This target assembly program is a low-level language. This is a low-level language program, but it is not in a binary format. It is in form of some mnemonics, which are nothing but hexadecimal symbols. And now this is sent to an assembler. After that, we'll get a relocatable machine code. And finally, it will be sent to linker/loader. I'll explain what this linker and loader are. From the name, we can get their functions. And finally, we get this target machine code. The difference between this relocatable machine code and this target machine code is, this relocatable machine code can be loaded anywhere from the memory, whereas this machine code can be loaded only from specific addresses. Now, what is the application of linker? Linker basically and DLL files. DLL is nothing but dynamic link library. For example, consider the same example. Here we have included this stdio file. We are linking this file to this program. This is a linker, whereas this loader so that is the whole language processing system. This preprocessor, compiler, assembler, these are the tools used in language processing. This preprocessor simply removes all the preprocessor directives and expands the macros, and will get a modified clean source program, that is pure high level language program, which will be now sent to a compiler to get a low level language program. This is not a binary one, not binary. It will be in form of some symbols called as mnemonics, hexadecimal values. Then these things will be sent to assembler to get a relocatable machine code. Finally, they will be sent to linker and loader to get the target machine code. That's the whole language processing system.